Welcome! In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to properly take care of Devialet Gemini 2. We recommend regularly maintaining your earbuds to avoid foreign substances, such as dust or debris, from building up and hampering the experience. Before you start any maintenance operations, make sure to have the following items at your disposal. 1. A soft dry cloth. 2. A cotton swab. 3. A standard antibacterial gel bottle. Remove the earbuds from the charging case. Make sure to remove the ear tips from each earbud by pulling them towards you. Rinse the ear tips with lukewarm water. You can use a cotton swab to gently remove any dust or debris. Don't place your earbuds and charging case under water. Dry the ear tips using a soft dry cloth. Using antibacterial gel, gently wipe the surface of your earbuds and charging case with a microfiber cloth. Avoid getting moisture in any of the openings. Make sure to avoid the speaker grid and the microphone holes. Carefully wipe down the electrical contact points on the back of the earbuds and inside the charging case with the help of a cotton swab using antibacterial gel. Dry them using a soft dry cloth. Attach the ear tips back on the earbuds by pushing them in until secured. Wait for the earbuds, charging case, and ear tips to be completely dry before using them again. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you have a great time using Devialet Gemini 2.